Ever pondered how to get the most out of your tax return? Understanding tax deductions can be a game changer, especially for business owners and entrepreneurs. Let's delve into some common business deductions to help you maximize your savings this tax season. First up, the home office. If there's a portion of your home dedicated solely to conducting your business, you can deduct expenses related to this space. This includes a fraction of your utilities like electricity and internet, and repairs that are specific to this area. However, remember, the space must be exclusively used for business, not a dual-purpose area like the dining room table. Next, consider your travel costs. If you're jetting off for business meetings or driving across town to meet a client, you can claim a tax deduction. This covers everything from airfare and accommodation to meals and business use of your car. Keep all receipts and maintain a detailed log of your travel to ensure you can validate these claims if required. In your first year of business? Good news. You can deduct up to $5,000 in startup costs. This could include market research, advertising, and any legal or accounting fees you've incurred. Now, let's talk about education. If you're taking classes or getting certified to enhance your business skills, you can deduct certain business-related educational expenses. This could be a course specifically related to your business or a class that will improve your general work skills. Depreciation is another factor to consider. It's essential to keep track of your business property and equipment and how long you've owned it. This will allow you to claim the appropriate depreciation deduction. Remember, depreciation applies to items that have a useful life of more than 1 year, like computers or machinery. Health insurance is a big one for self-employed individuals. You can deduct insurance premiums for yourself and any dependents. This can be a significant saving, so don't overlook it. Finally, professional fees are another valuable deduction. If you're using services like a tax accountant, consultant, or lawyer for business purposes, you can add those fees to your deductions. To summarize, tax deductions can significantly increase your savings during tax season. From home office expenses and travel costs to startup expenses and education, there's a wide array of deductions you can claim. Remember, depreciation, health insurance, and professional fees can also help reduce your tax bill. Always keep comprehensive records and receipts to back up your claims. Exploring tax deductions might seem daunting, but it's a crucial step in maximizing your savings and driving your business forward. As always, consult with a tax professional to ensure you're making the most of your deductions. And remember, whatever the milestone, vrmsztax.com is here for you and your business. Happy saving!